Master Zippel is a joint venture group between Master Handlers and Zippel of Germany. Master Handler is in business of material handling and automation for last 20 years, and Zippel is a world leader for industrial component cleaning for 40 years.
Zippel has the solutions for washing, however intricate, however complicated, however difficult. And Master all has the technologies for material handling systems, because whenever you want to wash a component and you want to ensure high throughput, it is never only washing. It's washing plus automation.
When Master Zippel started its operation in April 2010, the first and foremost challenge in front of us to match our quality to market, and the quality of any equipment can be matched only by quality of design, and the quality of design needs lot of support by the technology which is available for design. We have studied the solid edge and also our old 2D platform, and finally, based on our team's comfort, operative easiness, we have decided to go ahead with solid edge as a single platform for Master Zippel India. Very shortly in Zippel Germany also we'll be implementing solid edge seats, and that is where the two models, they don't have to translate the models once again. At the time of design, one must understand the equipment in totality. There is less fouling of the components because the person who is modeling here is more clear on the model, more clear on the machine right at design phase. With the synchronous technology, the concepts are more clear. The operators are being able to make the designs little faster, maybe 8-10% of the saving on time available for further activities, and that is why the project timeline has really improved. Now my two main design engineers, they have been more familiar with new on-screen commands, the on-screen tool features available, and more on that, the biggest benefit is the drop-down menus. That feature has really zapped them to use HT3 as a synchronous technology. And there is one fantastic feature in solid edge which is used more effectively for piping, cabling, duct routing, so plant engineering, or we call it as a machine engineering, machine layouting. We have linked our internal system, which is ERP, with solid edge database to be able to extract the data and make the part lists available for our work. Also, the biggest benefit is we are being able to standardize most of the items and use them as a standard library. The aesthetic of our equipment has improved, and the cost effectiveness, which is the bottom line of any organization, has been improved because of the time reduction and the reduction in rework. In next 3 years time, we would like to become India's largest and the best equipment manufacturer. Without support, it would be really hard. But now with solid edge, that is Siemens solid edge, and with the associate like 3D experts, is only because of that now we are looking for this software more and more. Whenever any order comes to us, the project department is very happy nowadays to commit. Whatsoever equipment we have supplied so far, along with definitely the solid edge support, is all equipments have very well accepted and very well appreciated by the customers.